Hey, it's Chris from Harrison Solar. I'm going to show you how to access your Fronius app and guide you through what you can see inside the system. Load up the Fronius app on your mobile phone and you can see exactly what you're getting from the sun. If we've installed a consumption meter in the switchboard, you'll also see what your house is using and what's going to or from the grid. In this example here, I'm currently generating just under 1 kilowatt of solar, 2 kilowatts is coming from the grid, and 3 kilowatts is being used by the house. You can see the flow of power from the icons in the app. Scroll down and you can see the generation that you're producing and how much solar is being produced today. You can also see the consumption, that's how much you've used in the full period since midnight. You can also see what's gone to or from the grid in that day. Finally, down the bottom is your earnings that you've earned from solar today. That's set on the web version and I'll show you in a separate video. Hit energy on the app. This shows you a breakdown of hourly what's been used by your system. Scroll through this and you can see what's used through the night, when the solar wakes up, and what's used in the afternoon. You can filter that by month, year, or totals, and you can also set the devices that you access on your mobile phone. When I hit the devices button, that's going to show me some high-level information about the system. It's going to show me the date the system was installed, how many kilowatts is on the roof, and whether any devices are offline. If you have any questions about your Fronius app, reach out to your local business owner or give us a call on our 0800 number.